When you look at the problems that agencies face today, you look at space in the vehicle, you look at operations, and then you look at what advantages can we give these officers.
The police car is what I would consider a hostile work environment.
All of us that started a company, we actually rode the officer on the street. So we know their environments.
They're trying to watch traffic, watch what's going on around them, and in a congested urban area such as ours, they have to be monitoring that, pedestrian traffic, bicycle traffic.
When you're there on site and you can talk to them and you can sit in the car with them and you can drive around with them, which is things that we always do, we can get a very good idea of how they do their shift, how they want things.
We have looked at every aspect of how the system is going to fit in that car, how it's going to work with the officers, and then how it's going to be serviced.
I've thoroughly tried every digital camera system that they had out there and had several of them. It came to our department, and this was 8 years ago. Tried them all out, and it was like, you know, if it was a 1 to 10 scale, COBAN was 10 and the others would be like a 4 or 5.
COBAN provides the ability for departments to be able to handle up to 6 cameras. We can record 5 simultaneously.
We've had shootings where we've used the video and used the audio, and the officers being sued and the police department's being sued, and they watch the video and listen to the audio, and it goes right through, and it just gets dropped.
I mean, we look at the environment, we look at, you know, how it's used, we look at the operations, we take all that information and then we put it into that product. So at the end of the day, you know, it's the best product out there.
Well, not only are we seeing a higher rate of conviction with the video, and a lot of that has to do with the audio quality of the COBAN product.
And our microphone, it's beyond words.
So the clarity of the audio with the conversations between the officer and the violators is above anything else that we've ever utilized, and it makes that testimonial evidence that's being presented on video very strong for us and very compelling because of how clear the audio is itself.
The COBAN audio module has always been a solid audio module. I think we've had one of the best audio modules in the industry.
I would say the COBAN system was the best audio that we heard.
It's water resistant, dust resistant, has an internal antenna. If the external antenna gets damaged or removed or taken off or broken for any reason, the internal will pick up and you will not lose that audio, that critical audio during the moment that you need it the most for a court case.
Every officer I've trained is very impressed with the distance, and even some of the buildings that will go through the walls, very impressed with the quality.
With the new microphone that we have, we provide programmable buttons. And I think that's just key from a tactical standpoint to be able to provide each user, each agency, different ways to utilize this microphone to their advantage, to whether it's remotely turning on the backseat camera to where it's putting a marker in the video.
The touch feature on the microphone, to start the microphone, the start with the blue light, it just makes it very easy for them to do it without thinking or altering what they normally do.
The functionality of the actual mic itself is excellent. There was nothing at the time. I still don't think that anyone has something that compares to the microphone that's offered by COBAN right now.
Being able to provide a product that helps the community and helps these officers has been a big accomplishment. It actually has felt great to be able to hear the stories of where we've been able to save an officer's life, or we've been able to help in just different situations. It's been just a real experience to be able to know that we've been able to help people.